Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process how to initiate e-joining. By using this option, HR can send offer acceptance email to candidates with temporary URL, username and password for updating their basic details and uploading joining documents. Before all of this, please check you must have rights to send e-joining emails. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Triggers from your left-hand side menu. It is the first option. Click on Confirmation Trigger. Click on e-joining notification. In the list view, click on Send Mail link to send email to the candidate for initiating e-joining. Type yes if you really want to send the e-joining invitation. After initiating e-join, you can check whether mail has been sent or not from here. After sending emails, you can track how many candidates started filling up their profiles and how many filled up and how many not filled up. For this, go to Personnel. Then Reports. Click on Track Offers. Here you can see a graph that shows how many candidates not started, how many submitted, and how many candidates started but not submitted. You can use these filters to customize your reports. For example, I want to see only the list of candidates who not started. So I selected Not Started from the drop-down and clicked Run. Here the list of the candidates who not started their e-join process. You can also export this report into Excel.